As we already studied that FIFO branch and bound using Q, now we are going for LIFO branch and bound, where we are using the data structure stack. So in that same example we are taking A, B, C, D. This example we are taking, and we have the values. Let me refer the previous diagram. A, B, C and D. Okay, this example we have. Now FIFO we completed. Now we are going for LIFO. So for LIFO what we are using? Stack we are using. So as I told, we started from A. Now from A, whichever the nodes are possible, B, C and D. Cost for going to B is 2 rupees. Cost for going for C is 1 rupees, and for D is 3 rupees. Okay, so as we had taken A, now what we have to do? What are the possible nodes? B, C and D. So we put B, C and D in stack. Now what is the possible to pop out from the stack? Because top is at B, so we have to pop the B only. So we pop the B. We pop the B. We pop the B. So B is selected. B is selected. Now we are at B. Okay. After B, what are the possible path from B? A. We came from A, so we don't go to A. Only D is possible. D is possible. So if we want to go from B to D, now in stack D is inputted, pushed. Okay. Now only D we have to go. So for the cost for that B to D is 3 rupees. So in that also we are following that the model where whichever the come entered last in the stack and we delete it. Okay. In that FIFO, which is the entered first, we delete that. So in that also we are going through rupees 2, not going for rupees 1, so which is least cost. So here also the problem is there. So we skip this and we go for the least cost search method. In both the cases, in FIFO and LIFO, what is that? The conditions are rigid. In FIFO, only first come node we have to select. In LIFO, only last come node we have to select. So it is rigid. We are not selecting the next node by any conscious decision or taking the best result like that. So for the optimization and getting the best result, we are using least cost branch and bound. Okay. So now I have to explain the least cost branch and bound using a famous example, which is 8 puzzle example. What is the 8 puzzle? I am taking an example question. For 8 puzzle, we are using this. In that That puzzle is divided into 9 different parts and 8 tiles are filled with numbers. Okay, we take example 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. This is your initial stage. This is your initial stage. What final stage we have to get? The final stage, whichever given in your question, is 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 6, 7, 4. So we have this in initial stage, and finally we have to get this final stage. Okay. For least cost method, we have to calculate cost for every step. We have to calculate cost for every step, and for calculating the cost function is C equal to Gx plus Bx. What is Gx? Gx is number of moves. Bx is number of misplaced tiles. Number of moves and number of misplaced tiles. This is the formula by which we are calculating the cost. Okay, so let us go for the solution of that particular question using the least cost branch and bound method. For that, pause करो.